Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. So, bullish week in the market. We opened with a good gap down, but we recovered both in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Although I'm ending with I'm ending with 4.2% loss on my capital, the highest ever for a week. And I mean, it's fine really because most of it came from the gap down that we saw on Thursday. If I would have just held my position a little bit, I could have seen way lesser loss. But nonetheless, I'm ending with 4.2% loss. Still happy because the loss could have been way bigger than that. And yeah, I'm expecting a good week, good next week. So what can we expect for next week? See, if you see, first of all, in Bank Nifty has closed near the high of the week. If you see, pretty much near the high of the last 2 weeks also, right? I mean, the last three candles, we've seen a pullback, and now we could see again an up move once we cross 39,800 to 40,000. Once we cross that, we can easily see a good up move till 41,000 and 42,000. Maybe even touch an all-time high over here in the next 2 to 3 weeks if that happens. Again, in weekly chart, we are looking at bullishness, a good bullishness in Bank Nifty and Nifty. In Nifty, however, there is less bullishness because Nifty has not closed near the high of 17,000. 750 or 800 levels. It has rather closed at 17,539, which is kind of less. So Nifty is looking less bullish over here, and Bank Nifty is looking more bullish. So yeah, I would bet I'm more bullish for the week in Bank Nifty because yeah, there is pretty much not much resistance after 40,000 in Bank Nifty. So how you can plan your trades is that, see, first of all, in daily chart, again in Bank Nifty and Nifty, we are seeing inside candles. Bank Nifty kind of not the inside candle kind of got breached over here if you see. But in Nifty, if you see, we are seeing continuous inside candles for 2 days. So momentum on either side there can be very good momentum on either side. Although I'm vouching for the downside because US markets are really not looking that good. To be very honest, if you see, S&P 500 is continuously moving down, and I'm expecting for it to technically move down till somewhere near 3,700 levels in the coming days, because really there's not much resistance after 3,900, right? So if we breach 3,900, we could see more down move in the US markets. And yeah, so that's why I'm vouching for the downside. So how you guys can plan your trades is that as soon as we, just a sec. Yep. As soon as we go below 17,470, once we like closing below 17,470 in 15 minutes start, you guys can take a trade till 17,400 on the downside. That should be your first target. And your second target should be 17,340 levels, because if we break 17,400, then there will be gap filling, and we can easily see 17,340 after that. If we open with a very big gap down somewhere near 17,450 for Monday, so wait for a closing below 17,400, then you guys can take this trade till 17,340 and 350 levels in general. On the upside, if you see, once we break 17,640, your first target should be 17,690. Your second target should be 17,740 to 730 levels. But yeah, although I would not take it till 17,730, I would wait for Nifty to clear out this area and then again take a re-entry. However, you guys can also carry your positions till 17,730 if you want. In Bank Nifty, if you see, again, Bank Nifty was way more bullish, but if you see 39,200 continuously acting as a support over here and Bank Nifty bouncing back from there. So once we go below 39,200, once we get a closing below 39,200, you guys can start taking trades. Your first target should be 39,070 levels to 60 levels, because again, we are close to 39,000 and we also have 200 EMAs over here. So 200 moving averages over here. So yeah, we can bounce back from here. So your first target should be 39,070 to 39,080 on the downside. If we open with a very big gap down somewhere below 39,200, so wait for your time. Once we are closing below 39,000, then you guys can take a trade till 38,800. That should be your first target. Although I am, if we get a closing below 39,000, I'm expecting a very good momentum to come till at least 38,500. So I may just carry my, may just book partial profits at 38,800 and carry my position down till 38,500. On the upside, if you see, as soon as we break 39,600, I am expecting a good move till 39,800. Even though there is the high over here, I am expecting good move till 39,750 to 800. Why 750 is because if you see in the daily chart, we made a high over there. There we can take some resistance. So yeah, high is out 39,760. So 750 to 39,800, that should be our target once we get a closing above 39,600 in Bank Nifty. So yeah, guys, that was it. That was it from my side. I hope you liked my analysis. And this week, I'm expecting a real good momentum on the either side. Although again, I'm expecting momentum to come on the downside. But let's see how things pan out on Monday and in the coming days. And yeah, thank you for watching till the end. I hope you liked the video.